In today's video, I want to show you a tool that uses artificial intelligence to fix old photos that they end up looking pixelated or even undistinguishable. Many of us have run into this problem. We can even pair it with Mid-Journey that sometimes it generates photos that are not that realistic. So if you want to find out how to fix them, look at this video till the end. Now let's use this awesome tool. To do so, we need to create or log into a JIT account to run the code. This can be easily done if you scroll down and click here. It will tell you to log in or create one. When you do so, it's time to look for the image that we want to make this extreme change. And I'm not exaggerating, you will see. In this case, I will select this one that looks blurry. So now that we have our image, let's drop on this box, or if you want, you can take a photo with your webcam. Usually webcam images are bad quality, so it could be a good example. Then, as you can see, it's not the only option. Before we submit our photo to the AI, here's a quick review of these options that are so useful for our end result. The first option can be edited by just moving this bar. What it basically does, it's balance the quality and fidelity of the picture. It means that the more you add, the more quality, or the opposite. I recommend you play with both. For this example, I'll leave it at 0.7. Moving on, we have background enhance that will help to improve the background, but let me tell you that this tool, it's a 100 times more effective when it about fixing faces. Then we have the next option. It's the face up sample. Keep it on, this will use all the power of the AI tool to generate the best faces. The final option is to decide how much we want this program to upscale this image. In easy terms, if your photo looks really bad, apply more to it. But for this example, we will leave it in default widget 2. Finally, what we wait for. As soon as we click on submit, the tool will work on fixing the image. Now, as you can see, the results are mind-blowing. It literally makes a new image out of it. And just to give you another example, this is an image generated by Mid-Journey that doesn't look like a human, but if I run it on this tool, look how it fixes it. And if you want to see more AI videos, maybe you want to see this video that it's on screen and subscribe.